Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. In this video we will see MCQs on the political divisions of India. Already few videos related to the same topic have been uploaded on my channel. You can go and watch them. Now we will start here. Question number 1. Question number 1 in this video is Bangladesh shares boundary with which of the following state of India? Options here are Tripura and Mizoram. Second is Meghalaya and Assam. Third is West Bengal. All of these. The right option to this question is option number D, all of these. That is Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam and West Bengal. These all states share their boundary with Bangladesh. Now see here the map so that we can remember these states that share with the boundary with the Bangladesh more easily. See here, this is the Bangladesh, this is Assam, this is Meghalaya, this is Tripura, this is Mizoram and this is Bengal, West Bengal. So these are the 5 states that share boundary with the Bangladesh. See here, a trick to remember these 5 states is time AM PM, where T stands for Tripura, A stands for Assam, M stands for Mizoram, P stands for Pachim Bengal, which is West Bengal, and M stands for Meghalaya. So this was a trick to remember those states who share boundary with Bangladesh: Tripura, Assam, Mizoram, Meghalaya and West Bengal. Second question is here, Myanmar shares its boundary with which Indian state? First option is Nagaland, second is Manipur, fourth is Mizoram and fourth option is Arunachal Pradesh, and last option is all of these. The right option to this question is option number E, all of these. That is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. These all share their boundary with the Myanmar. So let us see a map. See here, Arunachal Pradesh share it is boundary with the Myanmar. Similarly Nagaland, similarly Manipur and Mizoram. So these 4 states share their boundary with the Myanmar. See here, there is a trick to remember those states who share their boundary with the Myanmar. Anna, Mami. Where A is here, it is Arunachal Pradesh. Nagaland is here, NA. Mizoram is last and Manipur is third one, MA. See here once more, A stands for Arunachal Pradesh and NA stands for, here is the NA, Nagaland, MA, Manipur and MI, Mizoram. Anna, Mami. Now see third question here. Nepal share its boundary with which states of India? 5, 6, 4 or 3. So we have to here identify the correct option, that with how many states of India Nepal share its boundary. 5, 6, 4 or 3. The right option to this question is option number first, 5. See here how to remember this. See, in the Nepal there are 5 alphabets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Nepal share its boundary with 5 Indian states. Let us see map to remember these states more easily. Uttarakhand is here, it share its boundary with Nepal. Similarly Uttar Pradesh share its boundary with Nepal. Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal, these all share their boundaries with the Nepal. So this was about the map. So we have remembered that Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal, there are 5 states that share their boundary with the Nepal. See here the trick to remember these 5 states: Subbu, S stands for Sikkim, U stands for Uttarakhand, B stands for Bihar, B stands for Bengal and U stands for Uttarakhand. Hope you have got this trick. Subbu is a trick for those states who share their boundary with Nepal, while as Anna Mami was a trick to remember all those states who share their boundary with Myanmar. Here this was the Anna Mami, while as Bangladesh, for Bangladesh it was time AM PM. So till now 3 tricks we need to remember them. Fourth question is here, Bhutan share its boundary with. Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh. Bhutan share its boundary with all of these: Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal and Arunachal Pradesh. Now see here the map. So things will be memorized in easy way. See here, this is the Bhutan's map. This is the Sikkim here. This is the Assam here. This is the West Bengal here, and this is the Arunachal Pradesh. So the Bhutan share its boundary with 4 Indian states. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has now become clear from the map. Now see here, to remember these 4 states: Sab, where S is Sikkim, A is Assam, A is Arunachal Pradesh and B is Bengal. Hope you have got this trick. How many states of India have coastal line? 8, 9, 4 or 6? 8, 9, 4 or 6? The right option to this question is option number 2. 9 states of India have coastal line. Now see here, there is a map of India. Gujarat has a coastal line. Similarly, Maharashtra, Goa is here, Karnataka is here, Kerala is here, Tamil Nadu is here, Andhra Pradesh is here, Orissa is here and West Bengal. So total 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 states of India have coastal line. Thus option number 2 is correct option for this question number 5. Now see 6th question here. In southern states, dash has smallest coastal line: Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. The right option to this question is option number 2. Karnataka has a smallest coastal line. Now see 7th question here. Dash share its boundary both with Bangladesh and the Myanmar: Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and none. Before answering this question, let us see the map. Here is the Myanmar, here is the Bangladesh and here is the Mizoram. Mizoram share its boundary with Bangladesh here on this side. On this side, it share its boundary with Myanmar. Manipur only share its boundary with Myanmar. Similarly, Nagaland share its boundary with Myanmar but not with Bangladesh. So right option to this question is Mizoram. Mizoram share its boundary both with Bangladesh as well as with Myanmar. And remember here, the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl, and Manipur is Imphal, Nagaland, Kohima. Similarly, Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Shillong, and Tripura, Agartala. These are the, and similarly here Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. So we have cleared these things. Also remember once more: Nagaland, Kohima, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Shillong, Meghalaya, Tripura, Agartala, Mizoram, Aizawl and Manipur, Imphal. Now see 8th question here. Southernmost point of India is Lakshadweep, Kanyakumari, Indira Point and none. The right option to this question is option number C. Indira Point is the right option. When we take account both landmass as well as the islanders, the southernmost point is Indira Point. However, if we neglect or ignore the islanders, then Kanyakumari is the southernmost point of India. See here, this is the Indira Point and this is the Kanyakumari. 9th question is here: state through which both standard meridian of India as well as the Tropic of Cancer passes: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar and Orissa. The right option to this question is option number 2. Madhya Pradesh is the right option for this question number 9. It is a state through which both standard meridian of India as well as the Tropic of Cancer passes. Last question of this video is: the Portuguese possessions Goa, Daman and Diu were liberated in. When were they liberated? 51, 61, 81, 71. The right option to this question is option number 2, 1961. So these were 10 MCQs related to the India. I have tried my best. Still, if you feel any kind of mistake, please comment. Also, I request you, If you wish to add any extra point, you are welcome in my comment box. Also subscribe this channel, that is the best way to say thanks to me, and press for notification bar for latest updates. Thanks, stay blessed.